I don't know if I'm late to this trend or something, but today I want to try glitter lips. Because I've seen them all over TikTok a while ago, to be honest, but I want to try them. And what I also want to do is test how functional they are, let's say. Like test if you can eat with the glitter lips on. I do not save my TikToks, I don't know why, but I've seen a girl doing applying liquid lipstick and applying the glitter before the lipstick had the chance to dry, so basically not using glitter primer. Let's get into it. I'm going to line my lips first. I do have this lip pencil here from Sephora Collection. I managed to pick a lip combo, but I might have different colors on my lips. I do not have that many loose glitters, so I did not have much to choose from, but I did find something. I'm going to need to move fast. The glitter that I will use is Whimsical by Makeup Addiction. I'm just going to take some on my lid, so I have it ready. I like that this one is pretty fine. It does not have large chunks of glitter, so I might like it. But I don't think this lipstick is okay. It's pretty pink and the glitter is pretty orangey. I do still want to use Maybelline though, because their lipsticks are a little bit on the sticky side, and I feel like that could work with this technique. So the shade that I have here is Ruler. I think I'm going to use this one, even though it has still a pinkish tone, but it's a little bit better than the other one. The smell of these is just amazing. Love that. Okay, let's move fast. And then I'm gonna take my glitter and just press that. I'm actually curious about if this transfers. Looks fine. I mean, I do get just a tiny bit of glitter on my hand, but nothing crazy. I don't think I like this color, this particular color combination, but the technique is really nice. I would get like a nude champagne glitter and do a nude lip with glitter. That would be amazing. I want to do a little eating test as well, because if you're going to wear this for the holidays, you're probably going to eat. So I have a French crepe here. It's really good, but I do get just a tiny bit of glitter here. I think this is pretty functional, to be honest. I mean, I am basically ingesting glitter, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to die though. So yeah, if you're bold enough, would you wear this for the holidays? I'm curious. I think this would be amazing for New Year's especially. Let me know. Would you try it? That's it for me. That was my purpose for today. I really hope you enjoyed this little video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below as usual. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, because I know it's coming up by the time I upload this video. Yeah, that's it. Bye!